So our next topic would be components and JSX. I already talked about JSX. What is JSX? It's the HTML things that is compiled by React.
Okay.
So we don't use React. We don't use HTML like in Angular we do. In Angular we have like separate HTML file and we need to compile it. But in React they have own JSX, so it is compiled by React.
Okay.
So it is named as JSX for now. Okay, let me remove this. Oh, it's there. Come on. And the components. Components are like widget in Flutter. If you understand what I mean.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So it's like
it's parts of the whole thing. If you divide the whole screen into different parts, then a component is just one part, and you can. Okay, got it. Yeah.
So yeah.
I'd like to see my name there everywhere.
Okay, just delete this and just Moritz Learning JS.
Okay.
So this one is a component, home JSX. It's one of the component, and we can just import that and just use like this.
Okay. So you have to actually export it before, as I saw it.
Yeah.
So you have to export it.
Export default function home. And one thing is like I have to talk about before React 16.8, there was class component. But now, if you look at this, we are just using functional component. Everything is inside the function.
Okay.
Okay. In the class component, there was like concept of lifecycle hooks and all those things. We had to create some super props and all those things. But in this one, everything is binded completely. Only function.
Okay.
So it is also one of the interesting part in React after 16.8. Before that, there was a class component. So, okay, let me create one more component. This one can be named as Moritz. Or let me leave it for now. And let me create a new one for this. Let me do everything from here. Everything is Moritz. .tsx.
I think you messed it up.
I
do like it.
File.
Mortis, awesome. But
no,
yeah,
it's a new file.
Okay.
I can name it. Mortis is fine. And it's just like export default function named Moritz. And we can create other functions also if you want, or let's leave it.
Does it matter that the function you export as default is written in capital and the name of the file is written?
For this one, we just use capital letter. File name can be small later.
Okay. Okay.
But yeah. Otherwise,
it's not corresponding. It's something. Okay, I got it.
Yeah. And it was just written for now div. This is Moritz.
You have picked an easier name.
Yeah. At JSX, you can just import. Yep.
Oh, and it's also imported
automatically. So it's and the thing is, we just import like /.
Okay.
Nothing that complex. So it is a component. Means we can import any components and just render it here.
Okay.
So and this one is also a part of JSX. Okay. So now let me show you a basic concept of hooks probably, because I think till now there is no that big thing that you don't understand. Or do you have any questions?
No, all good.
All good. Yeah.
Well, so maybe we try to do some kind of break so we can cut it in half afterwards for the video for the YouTube audience.
Or we can convert it into hook. Yeah, next would be hook. Yeah.
Okay, let's see.